Have you been enjoying the beautiful environment around us? Have you been looking for trees and leaves and birds and mini beasts? I've brought you here something that we've been looking for today. This is actually a sycamore tree, and you can see its leaf. It's very round and wide, but it's hand-shaped. And if you look at its seeds here, you all know these seeds. They're like little helicopters. And actually, if you break them in half and you take the little stem off and you throw them up in the air, then sometimes they come down like a helicopter, but especially if they're ripe, and these ones have not gone brown yet. Now next week, we've got a real treat for you. One of my favourite wildflowers we're going to look for, and you may not know it, and even the mums and dads might not know it. This is one of them we're going to look at, and it's called a shepherd's purse. And you actually find them all over the place in amongst the grasses, especially down the streets where they haven't cut the grass. And what's so special about a shepherd's purse is all these seeds coming off the main stem. And if you look very closely at these seeds, they're actually in a little container, they call it a purse, and the purse is heart-shaped. So you've got to look out for them and look for that heart shape. It's called shepherd's purse. And then another thing that, as a special this week, I would love you to look for, because the council hasn't cut all the grass verges, and on my way to school, I was looking for grasses, and I found all sorts of grasses just in a 5-minute walk. So there's this grass, look at the seeds tightly against the stem there. Or you can look at a grass like this, and it's got fluffy seeds and out on different stalks. Or we've got another grass here. Look at this grass. Oh, I'm going to lose one. That one's actually got very soft leaves with a kind of fur on them. And this one we find in our gardens a lot if you don't cut the grass. Or look at this one. Look at the seeds here. That one has got very spiky seeds. If you pick them off, you can see that the seeds have got very sharp spikes on them. I wonder why they have sharp spikes. Do you think they'd get stuck in animals' fur and get transported, dispersed to all kinds of places? Another thing that we're going to look for is, with our trees, we're going to look for the oak tree. Most of you will know that tree, and little tiny acorns are coming on this one. And you can see it's got a rounded shape, an oval shaped leaf, but if you look at the margin of the leaf here, you'll see it's lobulated. So that's the oak leaf off an oak tree. And the other one we're looking for is a favourite, the horse chestnut. And you can see a very round-shaped leaf, but it's been divided up into lots of leaflets. And if you look at the margin of this horse chestnut, you'll see it's got a very serrated or tooth-shaped margin to it. So I hope you're going to enjoy looking for trees, birds, mini beasts, leaves, wildflowers. Enjoy it.